Filed on so and so, crime number so and so. Make out a table, give the table list first of all. This will not happen. This will. I am not blaming anybody. See, for you, your duty casts more in seeing that the crimes are investigated into and charge sheet is filed. This is the first priority for you. Our first priority you have to look into.
జరుగుతుంది సార్ ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ఎన్ని కేసెస్ మీరు ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేశారు, పెండింగ్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్లో ఏమున్నాయి అనేది అది కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంది సార్. దీని గురించి నేను తమకి పర్సనల్గా కలిసి మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను సార్.
See, I want to suggest one more thing, sir, for the benefit of everyone here and also online and also the judicial officers. Similar sections cases will be there. You try to post them on one day because that will enhance the speed of disposal and your mind will be acquainted with the general phenomenon that is going on. Something is wrong. And if you give me the particular name of the officer, I will take care. Such things should not happen. It will not happen. And I doubt whether whatever you say is the voice of these cases where bails are granted to the collector of the district. And the collector of the district is to arrange funds for that security amount which is ordered by the court. So this is